let's sled down to mommy down there. That's what you do. You sit down. Hang on right there.
Woo! Look at me, Mads. Madeline. You did it.
You do it again?
No. She got snow on her face, Daddy. No. Can you lay down and make one for me? Let me see. Uh-oh. Push hard. Okay, that's good, Madeline. Hold on, I'll get him. I'll get him, ready? There he goes. Wait, stop, Mads. Madeline, stop. Are you not going to do it with her?
I'm just going. Nah, we can't both fit on it.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on to the sled.
Alright, stay there. Stay there. Now, clap your hands. Okay? You gotta hold on to the sled there.
Hold on tight. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.